Hey everyone, it's Dr. Baird. Today we're going over the farmer's carry. So this is one of our favorite exercises to really help with any sort of pain. They're part of most plans: shoulder pain, back pain, knee pain. What they do is, again, it helps increase motor recruitment to help build strength, protect our joints for less joint pain, less arthritis, and it's simple as picking up something heavy and walking around with it. Now, before we get started, there are a few things to keep in mind. The main thing is that when we're holding weights at our side, we want to be the one controlling the weight. We want to be the one creating the tension. We don't want the weight controlling us. So what I mean by that is, if I have my weight, I don't want to be so passive that I just kind of, again, let the weights pull me down and then I'm walking around like that. That's going to put more pressure on your joints. So we need to be able to create tension. So how we do that with the farmer's carry is, I'm going to have you about a 25%, so not squeezing as hard as you can, but a 25% squeeze on this weight. That's going to create tension up the arm. From there, you're going to roll your shoulders back and lock them in place. So again, this position is a nice strong position with a lot of tension that's going to be used to protect your joints as you perform this exercise. And then from there, once you have that tension, it's a simple walking back and forth across the room. Again, slow and controlled, nothing fancy, but again, you're the one controlling the weights. The weights aren't pulling you back. Your body's staying nice and strong as you walk forward and as you walk back. So again, it's important to keep this as heavy as you can while also controlling the weight. The heavier that we can get, the more motor recruitment that we're going to have to protect our joints, the more core engagement, the more everything. So again, it's hard. I know not everybody has this equipment, but if you can find this stuff, the heavier you can keep it, the better. It should be towards the end of a minute. It's like you need to sit down. Even me standing right here, I need to set this down real quick. So anyway, that's the farmer's carry. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.